If you're wondering about the top 5 essential dog grooming tools, this video has got you covered. We strive to give you the best recommendations in terms of price, performance, and intended use. The products featured in this video are not presented in any particular order, so be sure to watch to the end to find the one which is perfect for you. As always, the links to the most up-to-date prices are in the description. When it comes to grooming your furry friends, safety and precision are of utmost importance. That's why we recommend the Grooming Dog Grooming Scissors Set. With a complete 5-piece kit including various scissor types and a grooming comb, you'll have everything you need to keep your pets looking their best. The round-tipped ends design ensures safety, so you can confidently trim sensitive areas like the eyes and ears without worrying about accidentally hurting your pets. Made with high-quality 4CR stainless steel, these scissors are rust-proof and extremely sharp, allowing you to effortlessly trim thick long hair without pulling. Plus, the set comes with a cleaning cloth and a black leather case for easy storage and portability. Take your pet grooming skills to the next level with the Grooming Dog Grooming Scissors Set, the perfect tool for professional beauticians and pet owners alike. When it comes to grooming your furry friend, you need a reliable and safe tool. That's why we recommend the Grooming Professional 5-in-1 Dog Grooming Scissors Set. This kit includes everything you need to keep your pet looking their best. With a 6.5-inch thinning shear, curved scissor, straight scissor, pet comb, cleaning cloth, and a black leather case, you'll have all the tools at your fingertips. One of the standout features of these grooming scissors is the round end tips. You never have to worry about accidentally poking your pet's delicate skin, especially when trimming sensitive areas like their face, ears, eyes, nose, and paws. The round tips ensure maximum safety during grooming sessions. The scissors are crafted from extremely high-quality stainless steel with a 4CR titanium coating. This makes them sharp and durable, allowing for precise cutting without pulling your pet's hair. The ergonomic design adds another level of comfort, fitting perfectly in your hand to minimize fatigue during long grooming sessions. The rubber bumper at the handle also prevents accidental clamping of fingers and eliminates loud noises that may frighten your pet. To give you peace of mind with your purchase, we offer a 90-day money-back guarantee. If you're unsatisfied for any reason, simply contact us and we'll refund your order in full. Our commitment to customer satisfaction is unwavering. In conclusion, the Grooming Professional Grooming Scissors are not only safe but also durable and effective in keeping your pet looking their best. Say goodbye to expensive salon visits and take control of your pet's grooming routine with this reliable set of grooming scissors. If you're a pet owner in need of a reliable and effective tool to detangle your furry friend's matted or knotted hair, look no further than the Poodle Pet Dematting Comb. This comb has been rated as the best in 2023 by Pet Keen, Groomers Land, and more, making it a trusted choice for millions of pet owners. Designed specifically for long-haired animals such as dogs, cats, horses, and rabbits, this comb gently and effectively removes knots and tangles from their coats. The Poodle Pet Dematting Comb features a comfortable grip handle made of heavy-duty rubber with wavy ridges, ensuring a secure hold during grooming sessions. The handle also includes a convenient hanging hole for easy storage. Whether your pet's hair is wet or dry, this comb is safe to use without causing any discomfort. Equipped with long 2.5-inch stainless steel blades, this grooming tool reaches deep into thick fur to quickly break up knots, mats, and tangles. Its durable construction using top-grade rubber and rust-proof stainless steel ensures that it can handle all of your long-haired pet grooming needs. Invest in the Poodle Pet Dematting Comb today and experience the difference it can make in maintaining your pet's beautiful coat. Say goodbye to tangled hair and hello to a happy and well-groomed furry companion. Tired of pet hair taking over your carpets and rugs? Look no further than the Uproot Clean Extra Pet Hair Removal Broom. This innovative pet hair remover broom is designed to be gentle on your rug and carpet fabrics, making it safe to use on everything except knitted and delicate fabrics. Even your pets will love it. With its extra-large size and extra-long telescopic handle, cleaning your carpets and rugs has never been easier or more convenient. Just pull the pet hair rake across the surface, and watch as it effortlessly removes pet hair and other debris. Say goodbye to straining your back, as this broom is designed to make cleaning a breeze. Made to last for years, the Uproot Clean Extra doesn't require batteries, sticky rolls, or vacuum bags. It's affordable and reliable, ensuring that you won't have to constantly replace it. This dog hair remover for carpet reaches deep into the fibers, grabbing even the most embedded fur and lint in a single swipe. It saves you time and energy without cutting corners. Dedicated to making pet lovers' lives easier, the Uproot Clean Extra is every pet owner's helping hand. Designed with a unique construction, you won't have to worry about faulty rubber designs or brittle handles. Forget about sticky tape and frustrating cleaning experiences. Experience the joy of having clean carpets and rugs without the hassle with the Uproot Clean Extra Pet Hair Removal Broom. Your pets will thank you for it. Introducing our top pick for the best dog grooming scissors kit, the Doodle Grooming Kit. This 4-piece set includes a straight dog scissor, a curved dog scissor, a thinning dog scissor, and a dog comb, providing all the necessary tools for professional-grade grooming. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, these scissors feature a sharp edge that ensures easy cutting and precise grooming. The ergonomic handles make them comfortable to hold, preventing any discomfort or soreness in your hands during long grooming sessions. Not only are these scissors durable and long-lasting due to their high-quality steel construction, but we also offer a lifetime warranty for durability, guaranteeing your satisfaction. We stand behind our product and its exceptional quality. Whether you have golden doodles, poodles, or any type of doodle breed, the Doodle Grooming Kit is specially designed to meet their unique grooming needs. Experience the ease and satisfaction of professional grooming with our top-notch tools. Upgrade your grooming routine with the Doodle Grooming Kit today and give your furry friend the care they deserve. Pamper them with precision and style, knowing that you have chosen the best tools available in the market. There is always a lot to think about when making an informed purchase, but hopefully we've given you the confidence to take the next step. Remember, all the links to the products in this video are in the description down below. If any of the links are broken, please let us know in the comments and we will fix it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.